What is going on, my G's? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we came over to Galpin for one simple thing. I'm checking on the progress of my Raptor, and as we're getting very close to finalizing everything and for Farsha to come out of the bathroom, which is behind us now. There he is.
Hey.
Hey. We came in because you guys have been tagging me on a lot of the pictures of the Shelby that they just got right here. It's an F-150 Shelby. And I don't know much about it, but everyone seems to be very excited, and they're asking me, is this gonna compare to your truck? Great question. I'm gonna go see because I need to see what the competitors are doing in order to be able to provide you with a personal experience that's gonna be completely different. Always R&Ding your own product is the most important thing, right, Farghini?
Yes, and do you know what? Ivan told me about this. I just said, give me one log line.
Because I don't know anything about it.
He said, imagine a Raptor with a V8. I swear that's what he said.
Just quickly made it inside with good old Ivan, who's got a new office, surprisingly. I like this, Ivan. I like this.
Thank you.
So you're showing us the Shelby truck. We want to know what the fuck is that? What should we expect? Because as you know, we're building that Raptor competitor car, and we kind of have to be on our best. We have to be on top of our game. We gotta know what's out there and what people like about each one and why they demand that vehicle.
Of course, because this one looks mean. Well, let's just bring the front shield just in case we love that one. We just pop it on there, no?
So Ivan is about to show us something very special right here. Ivan, what is the meaning behind this Corvette that we're about to look at?
This is the most expensive Corvette you probably have ever seen in your life.
Why?
Because the guy that owns it, instead of buying Microsoft IPO at the time of inception, decided to buy this.
How much money did he miss out on?
$40 million.
So instead of $40 million, he's got this Corvette right here.
That's right.
That is not a joke, people. That is legitimately, at the time when the IPO was coming out, the owner of this car had the opportunity to either invest everything in this Corvette or on Microsoft IPO, which today, with the price of the Corvette, would be worth $40 fucking million.
But look at the wood. That's got great wood. It really does. Come on. Look at that. Look, it's mahogany, right?
Oh, we need to do a video with this guy.
That's a great story. It's a great story.
Oh, it's a really sad one, but it's an epic one. And always know, guys, all this shit happens to all of us all day, every day. If we're not paying attention to what we're doing, to the choices that we're making, you could be the next $40 million Corvette guy. And not because it's not just like investing this, investing that. In everything in life, you're knocking on each door. There's nothing that you can see, as Buddy was saying before. You can't see what's behind the door.
You never know what's on the other side. Like, it's important to realize that you're always going to be given like that fork in the road, but you have to be mindful and insightful and just go with your gut feeling to know that there's...
I think ahead.
Yeah.
Think ahead always. Yes.
Sorry, guys. It's $68 million.
Oh! I need to know what this is, Ivan. So this is an F-150, not a Raptor, right?
That's correct. That's an F-150 with a V8 engine. This lady's not gonna run us over. We're Mexican, dude. If she runs us over, I know. Hey, buddy, stand behind us, bro.
Do you want me to get down here so you guys can step up?
That's cold-blooded. So it's an F-150 with a V8 engine. Shelby, as everyone knows, is an American brand, and when they decided to do something unique with an F-150, they naturally went with a V8.
They take a lot of pride in that, right?
Yes,
the V8s.
American muscle, V8, you know, it's as American as apple pie. So the V6 is a 450 horsepower. This is less than that. This is about 400 horsepower. This is a 5-liter V8 engine. This is not the supercharged.
Oh, this is not the Raptor engine.
No,
this is just your regular F-150 from back then.
F-150, 5-liter V8.
Got it.
What they've done is, starting the inside, they completely redid the inside from a regular F-150. And they pretty much carbon fibered it out.
So whoever's buying this, American, all muscle, new interior, you want a little something else.
Specialty. Check.
Oh, so immediately, of course, that I got covered. Holy shit! Everything is carbon fiber in this thing.
What the
What the fuck?
Look at all this shit!
I didn't know all these carbon fiber bits existed in the car. Steering wheel, for the windows, right here. Like all of the things that are painted in my car, in my blue truck, are carbon fiber in this one. All of this, all of that, everywhere. You got a little plate right here that says Shelby and the number of your chassis and Carroll Shelby's autograph. Then you get a massive Shelby thing right here. It's really nicely put together. Completely different from mine. One thing that bothers me right off the bat is you got all these carbon fiber bits and pieces and you don't go and change this one. I understand that you have to change a whole panel here, but why wouldn't you do that? Oh, look at the pedals, Farghini.
Oh, we can get those, right?
That's a nice touch, right?
Yeah,
Do you agree?
No, for sure you gotta get those.
This is rad, man. And the seats, they say Shelby here.
Should we see what it sounds like?
Thank you, Ivan. Oh. Listen to that baby purr. Sorry, guys. I've had a lot of sugar today. Sorry about the AC intensity, everyone. It's really hot. Let's go.
Yeah, for all intended purposes, on paper, the V6 is way better than this.
It's crazy that the V6 feels more like it feels more torquey than this big ass V8. The good thing about the V8 is on the low end on the high end torque, like once you go up here, it feels like it moves. And it sounds delicious.
By the way, Alejandro.
Yes, Farghini.
You can add a supercharger to this, and you'll change its fortunes really, really quickly.
Yeah.
So that's the interesting thing about this one specifically. If you put one of those Whipple superchargers that are like 4.2 liters, which is bigger than most engines, or 4.5 liters, this can get maybe close to 1,000 horsepower, right, Ivan?
Yeah.
This is fucking crazy.
I mean, you can go nuts with this thing. Whipple charger and tune.
Who's the customer for this car?
Whoever is into American muscle. So you have the V8. Again, it's one of the most synonymous things with muscle cars.
Absolutely.
And the fact that it's a Shelby car. So it's a Shelby registered F-150. So it's not like an aftermarket kit that gets added on. You get a Shelby registered number with this truck.
Do you know how many of these they make? Is it a limited thing?
It is a limited production. They keep changing the actual numbers. So I don't know what they'll end up with.
I was gonna say, I haven't seen one of these ever before there, and you guys pretty much have everything. Farghini, I'm gonna let you drive now so you can experience this. And these wheels are fucking amazing. Amazing. Shelby, really good looking. That's the one thing this truck does have too. It's a really good looking car from the outside.
You gotta give me 1 minute.
What? Why? Oh my God. Whenever you're ready, Farghini. Still moving? Enjoy Farghini. Dude, even this is fucking carbon fiber here?
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, this is the most
Can I tell you the first thing I noticed?
Yeah.
The carbon fiber on the doors, like it makes it really lighter. I gotta pull over 1 second.
You were saying just a minute ago, like who is the customer for this?
American muscle fans.
It is. It's the guys that are going to roll up at the weekend warrior type events, but they want to show like a little more luxury and class. This is it. This is the one. They're not going to go like rip it and run it off road or anything. They want to like flex at a hot rod show.
Yeah.
You know.
It sounds. Hey, this one thing. Back here, it sounds incredible. That's one thing we'll never get from our trucks compared to this one.
I like how high we are.
Aren't we this high on our Raptor?
I think we're higher, right, Ivan?
Actually, I wrote down all the specs for this truck.
Except the height.
Exactly. I was showing a guy who wanted a unique F-150 or Raptor. When we were driving the Raptor, the thing he kept saying is, it's a V6, it's a V6, it's a V6.
Did it really bother him that much?
It literally bothered. I mean, we're talking about a guy that had GT500s, GT350s. So
like a really all-American muscle guy.
Really all-American muscle car. So I showed him this, and he fell in love with it. And part of the reason why he fell in love with it is because he didn't feel like he sold out and got a V6. So it's more.
It's not about performance.
It's not about performance. It's about an emotional feeling and connection that you make between the driver and the car.
truck.
And also with
Essentially.
the Shelby brand too. Like if you're talking about muscle, Shelby is like synonymous. with it.
Yeah.
Iconic. So if you want to stay with that, this is the truck. If you don't care about performance, which he didn't, because he had other cars for that, this is what you get. It's unique, it's
Great
American,
looking.
and it looks good and it sounds good.
Yeah, it is definitely great looking. Like it looks so good looking.
Great looking from the wheels, the stands, like the grill, the paint colors, the stripes.
Would Shelby be upset if I did a Shelby tribute on my Raptor? Just do the color scheme. Like
Can I tell you something, Farshad?
Yeah.
Of course they're gonna be fucking furious. Are you a dirty immigrant?
Yes.
I am too. So anything we do in honor of any American brand,
Oh, got it.
come on, no.
This is awful.
Hang on, you want to put Farshad through the parking Olympics?
The parking Olympics. He's
Hang on,
the
let-
worst parker in all of the
Let me
world.
open the door. Let me see. By the way, guys, he had nothing around him. There was no cars whatsoever. 2 spots.
I'm within my rights of the parking spot.
So this is different too. Okay.
Outside features is a 20-inch Shelby engraved alloy wheel.
Yeah, we see it. The ILO wheel.
Suspension lift by Shelby. Shelby exclusive Fox shock system. Suspension undercoating protection. Red Shelby brake calipers. Black powder coated step bars. Shelby emblem on step bars. Painted custom fender flares. Functional painted front fenders. Shelby rocket panel graphics. Painted custom front bumper cover. Honeycomb racing bumper inserts. Custom model skid plate.
Custom model skimp. Where's that? So you can bang it really fucking hard.
Who's banging?
Official Shelby Snake emblem on grille.
Yeah, we see it.
Shelby functional replacement dual intake ram air hood. Shelby lettering on the hood. Painted custom rear bumper.
Hold on. What is this right here? This.
Oh, Ivan, what is
What is
this?
it? I don't want to touch it, but what is that?
Tune-up cover. You need that
Yeah.
key.
For
So there's the key right here on it, guys.
And that's what opens the bed.
Turn this.
What if
and
there's someone in there?
and then you just lift up.
Oh! Look
That is the biggest trunk in the
I don't
world.
feel the inside.
That,
Farshad,
yeah, I know.
that's
This is a
Farshad's
trunk.
Hey, can I live in this?
go for it.
Easy.
Can I Airbnb this?
Easy, easy.
Instead of a
For the first time ever, Farshad, you actually
This-
really can.
Hey, I just did a little hole right here, big enough for pee and poop, and I'm set.
What was your impression?
I love it. I love it. Can I give you my honest opinion?
Yeah.
It needs a supercharger. That's just my opinion.
Yeah, no.
Just from
You like more power. You're a power guy.
Just from looks, sound, feel, and all that stuff, I need more power to go along with all that.
You need more power.
I need more power.
I like it the way it is. I like that people that appreciate the V8 have the
Yeah.
option of buying this. The one thing is, I actually cannot believe it's not a Raptor, but we've seen the Shelby Raptor, so
Yeah. And by the way, if I had the means to do it, I would 100% go buy one of these.
why are you lying?
I think for the look side of it, I'm all in
Yeah,
on the looks. I
I
think
like
this looks
Yeah.
better than
Yeah.
a Raptor.
No question.
But the feel and the power, it just doesn't, doesn't hit the mark.
Yeah. God, it is gorgeous, dude. No matter how you slice it or dice it. Can we see that Tesla Roadster?
Yeah.
I've never had the chance of being next to a Tesla Roadster. This is the original. It's based on a Lotus chassis.
Elise,
Elise,
right?
yeah.
This is the one that you used to see like on Santa Monica Boulevard, like right there, like
Correct. Correct.
Century City
Correct.
area.
This was literally the first originator of the fucking electric car. All of the Teslas. All of Teslas owe everything they own today and they are today to this car. It's so fucking wild to see the evolution of a brand, right? But Elon Musk did it right. I'm gonna tell you why he did right. He went on, he didn't develop his own platform, right?
First mistake.
Save money. Then he went on and grabbed a car that exists without developing that platform and added the battery system to it.
Adapted his business to a pre-existing foundation.
That's right. The other smart thing that he did, these cars depreciate like a motherfucker, so he was getting them for nothing. All he wanted to do with this is prove a concept now that we see it, right? And I think it worked.
Yeah. Also, I watched a documentary about this, and as he was developing it, it had a lot of problems, and the customers were working with him. They weren't pissed at him too much, you know? Like he would say to them, guys, it's gonna cost a little bit more, and I need a little more time, and they said, all right, we'll work with you. And this got him to where he is today, you know what I mean? This car.
Isn't that fucking incredible?
Oh, hello.
What are you doing here?
I don't know. Just randomly showed up. They said there was a Starbucks inside.
There is. Ivan was asking about you, so.
I think we might take the Vanquish because the Vantages are.
They sold.
They sold them all.
They sold them on the spot as they were unloading them.
I wanted to. Farshot drove me home in this yesterday. One, congrats, and two,
Thank you.
This is the most badass thing ever.
Isn't it crazy?
I drove a Lincoln Continental Black Label, and that blew my mind. But the size of this is impressive.
Whenever you have time, please let me drive this.
Not
Let me.
Not all the black labels are the same.
What?
And by the way, the footage from your camera is insane. It's done us wonders for the channel.
Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a good one.
All right,
Enjoy
see you,
yourself.
man.
I need to drive that E63. You know he's got like 800
Let's
horsepower.
do an
right?
E-swap. Let's do an
You know
E63
that?
swap.
I already
Let's swap.
did that, but the day that he took mine,
We were away, right?
No, we were in Mexico.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Let's switch for a day. Let's
will.
be Parker for a day.
We